Hello lovely creatives, Vivian here from Vivian's Creativity Lab. Lovely to have you here today. Okay, we're going to do something quite simple. We're going to make a Facebook post in Canva. Canva, you've probably heard about. Anyway, go to Canva, canva.com. And you can organize a free account. There's a lot you can do with a free account. So let's have a look. First of all, as you can see up here, home, templates, features, learn, pricing. Okay, so what will you design? I'm going to come down here. Can you see my mouse? We're going to create a Facebook post, so I've clicked on that. There we are. Over on the left here are Facebook post templates. Some you pay for if you're on the free plan, so make sure that you choose one that is free. I've already chosen one. It's over here on the left. As you can see, it says free. So I click left on that, and here we have the post template. Okay, so what does it say? We're hiring, marketing and tech. Visit a really great website. So let's change things up a little bit. First of all, go over to the template, double click on the we're hiring text and type in something else. So I'm going to type Vivian's Creativity Lab, and I'm going to change the font. So I'm going to left click at the end, select it. I'm going to go up to the top, and here on the left, these are the different fonts available. So I'm going to go down here on the left and choose another font. This one's called Bellezza, which if it had two Z's in it would be bellezza, which in Italian means beauty. Okay, so we've changed the font. Can you see that? But I'm going to select it again by left clicking and dragging along. And I'm going to go up the top to this letter A with a line under it for a different text color. So over on the left we have different colors. Just off to the left actually it says add a new color. So let's see what color we could use. Maybe something like that. No. Orange. A lighter orange. Okay, that will be fine. So I've selected that. Now I'm going to go to the text, marketing and tech. Click. Whoops. Double click inside, marketing and tech. And I'm going to type in how to create a Facebook post in Canva. This is a bit too large, so I will select again. And up here, we have the font size. So I'm going to decrease the font size just a little. There we are. Click over here. See if it's done it. Yes. Okay, this is my Grammarly. The green type which keeps appearing is my Grammarly. It's an online editor I use, so just ignore that. Okay, how to create a Facebook post in Canva. Then I'm going to come down here, double click on that, visit really great website. Okay, I'm going to put in my website, vivianartdesign.com. There we are. And basically that's it. So we need now to download it. So I'm going up to the top, and you can see this arrow with a line. I'm going to click on that, and it says file type PNG, which is a high quality image file. That is the suggested one. I can't have a transparent background because I'm on the free plan. I can't compress the file. That is also on the premium Canva plan. I can save the download settings if I so wish, but I'm going to go here on the right. You won't be able to see this. You can see it now. I'm going to save it as a JPG. And then I'm going to click download to save my file. Okay, everybody. So that's just a quick way of making a Facebook post in Canva. And I'll be back soon with another in my video series. Have a lovely day. Take care.